Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of budgeting. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to improve your current budgeting system, this video is packed with valuable tips and strategies to help you master the art of budgeting. So let's get started. Section 1. Understanding the importance of budgeting. Before we dive into the details, let's discuss why budgeting is so crucial for achieving financial success. A budget serves as a roadmap for your money, allowing you to make informed decisions and take control of your finances. It helps you track your income, expenses, and savings, ultimately enabling you to reach your financial goals. Section 2. Assessing your current financial situation. The first step towards effective budgeting is evaluating your current financial situation. Take a comprehensive look at your income, including your salary, investments, and any additional sources of income. Next, analyze your expenses by categorizing them into essential and discretionary expenses. This assessment will provide you with a clear picture of where your money is going and highlight areas where you can potentially cut back. Section 3. Setting financial goals. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, smart, financial goals is a crucial aspect of successful budgeting. Determine short-term and long-term objectives, such as paying off debt, saving for a down payment, or planning for retirement. Your goals will serve as a guiding light throughout your budgeting journey. Section 4. Creating a budgeting plan. Now it's time to create your budgeting plan. Start by allocating a portion of your income to savings and emergency funds. Then, prioritize essential expenses like housing, utilities, transportation, and groceries. Remember to leave room for discretionary expenses like entertainment and dining out, but be mindful of overspending. Section 5. Tracking your expenses. Tracking your expenses is key to staying on top of your budget. Utilize budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or even a simple pen and paper to record your expenditures. Regularly review your spending habits to identify areas where you can make adjustments and cut unnecessary costs. Section 6. Strategies for saving money. Budgeting isn't just about tracking expenses, it's also about saving money. Explore different strategies to maximize your savings, such as 1. Automating savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. 2. Meal planning. Plan your meals in advance to reduce food waste and save money on groceries. 3. Comparison shopping. Shop around for the best deals and use coupons or cashback apps to save on purchases. 4. Negotiating bills. Contact service providers to negotiate better rates for your internet, cable, or insurance bills. Section 7. Dealing with debt. If you're carrying debt, it's crucial to address it in your budget. Allocate a portion of your budget towards paying off debts systematically. Consider utilizing debt repayment strategies such as the snowball method or the avalanche method to accelerate your progress. Section 8. Adapting and evolving your budget. Your budget is not set in stone. Life circumstances and financial goals change over time, so it's important to regularly review and adapt your budget. Evaluate your progress, make necessary adjustments, and celebrate milestones along the way. Congratulations! By following these budgeting strategies, you're well on your way to financial success. Remember, budgeting requires discipline and consistency, but the rewards are worth it. Start implementing these tips today, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you gain control over your finances. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in